All right, it's time to do weekly recap. In Masters of Uni weekly recap, all right, you learned a lot of words. It's time to recap them. In Master Azerbaijani today, we have a weekly recap. Let's see what words we learned. We learned Kitabxana, which is library, Xarici İşlər Nazirliyi, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Daxili İşlər Nazirliyi, Ministry of Internal Affairs, or Asan Xidmət, the Dream Service Center for Public Services, Polis İdarəsi, Police Station, İdman Zalı, Gym, Fitness Center, and of course Xəstəxana, Hospital and Medical Center. How can we be without that joke uses? There you are. I swear, I only go to İdman Zalı when my sofa starts judging me. I only go to Kitabxana when my procrastination needs a quieter audience. Let's see what else we do. Went to Asan Xidmət and somehow finished all my life admin before lunch. I emailed Xarici İşlər Nazirliyi and got a reply so fast that calendars evolved to track it. Quiz time? Yes. What is Asan Xidmət? Drop in the comments below. Because I spoke about it as a dream service for public service. Let's see if you remembered what is it. Otherwise, make sure you come back. We're starting new week with new set of words on new topic. If you keep coming back every day and learning, because that will bring you the fluency. Why? It's consistency that brings you fluency. Now, on that topic, on the consistency, I have masterazerbaijani.com. It's for deeper grammar, pronunciation, cultural history, and learning tips. I post blogs on those topics every 10 days. But I also have Master Azerbaijani app available in App Store and Google Store if you are interested in learning the language step by step. The module 1 there is completely free and it will give you the foundation you would need to keep building with confidence. Highly recommend to check it out. Highly recommend to redo module 1 over and over because there's so much information that you will be able to learn and start speaking and understanding better. Otherwise, let's start the next week with new set of words. I'll see you there. Cheers.